This is a Kasp Security K1770D, and it's rated, security rating, if you look down here, 9, I think, 9 out of 15, so somewhere in the middle. Oh, actually says 9 down here as well. So this, yeah, is a shutter lock. It's made by Kasp. Nice big chunky looking thing. I think it's a 6-pin lock. Let's open it up and see what we have on the inside. Can't quite take it out yet. And we can take that out like this, put that to one side, and here is the lock. Now, I think that this is one of the few locks out there, if I can get this to work, which you can actually get all the way to the back in. Got to go down the pins like this, and then try to withdraw the shackle port at the back. Let's see if that works. So there's a bit of a trick to it. I'm not the best at doing this, but you should be able to get in there to do it. Yeah, there we go. Whew, open straight away. So yeah, that's a pretty bad security flaw with these, but yeah, you can use a knife tool to actually bypass the whole lock. Pretty crazy, isn't it? But it's one of those sort of neat tricks that you can do. You just need to get the whole thing right, and yeah, a bit of crazy bypass that. But yeah, that's how quickly you can get into one of these Kasp 1770Ds. Got my turning tool, got a lock pick. Let's have a go at seeing if I can pick this. So just going along, seeing what I can pick. Pin 1 feels like it's binding a little bit. No, that was pin 3, now pin 1. Yep. 4 at the back, counter rotation. Oh, wow, that was quick. I don't know how I managed to pick that so fast. Maybe the pick shank picked a few of the pins. I don't really know, but yeah, that's strange. Not a particularly high security lock, but it does have spool pins in. Certainly a harder pick than it is than it is a bypass, that's for sure. But yeah, kind of cool. One last thing, we haven't seen whether we can rake it, so I've got an Abona pick here. I'm just going to pop that in the lock here and see whether I can coax it into opening, and we can. So there you go, that's the Kasp 1770D. I mean, it's a really fun lock to have in your collection if you're a lock picker, because very few of these shutter locks do that knife bypass. But yeah, it's very mid-range in security. I wouldn't put it as high as 9, that's for sure, because it does have a number of flaws. But nevertheless, it's yeah, it's only what it is. Anyway, if you like this video, please leave a like. If you have a comment, leave one below. I read all of them and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and want to see more content like this, please do consider subscribing. It really helps me out. And of course, I'll see you all next time.